Hello students, welcome to class. Today I'm going to be working out this Olympiad question under permutation and combination, and I need you to pay attention to actually learn from what I'm going to be showing you. Now for this question we're talking about combination, and the combination formula is n combination r. Having n combination r, it can be expressed as n factorial all over r factorial then into n minus r factorial. And that is what I'm going to be using to actually work out this question. Now, since we have this, then let me express it. So 9 combination x is going to be 9 factorial all over x factorial. Then I have 9 minus x factorial. Okay, it's equals to 4 into what I have here is going to be 7 factorial, then all over I have x minus 1 factorial, then into 7 minus into x minus 1, then I have factorial. Now, if you check, what I've done is actually to make use of the combination formula to express the work, all right? So you see 4 times 7 factorial is 4 dot 7 factorial. But let me have this. I have 9 factorial all over. We have x factorial into 9 minus x. Then I have factorial is going to be equals to 4 times 7 factorial. Then everything all over. I have x minus 1 factorial. Then minus into, now check this out. Okay, you have 7 minus into x minus 1. All right, sorry for that, into x minus 1. This is going to be 7 minus x. Then we have plus 1, which will be 8 minus x. So this is going to be 8 minus x factorial. Okay, we have this now. The next thing to do is to cross multiply, but to collect like terms. Okay, now what do I mean? I'm going to have by the time I multiply, I exchange this. Can you see? Now exchanging it, I'm going to have x minus 1 factorial into 8 minus x factorial will be all over x factorial, then into 9 minus x factorial. I'll have it is equals to 4 times 7 factorial all over I have 9 factorial. So I've gotten this expression. So I've simplified it to this expression. Then from here, recall, let me show you this. What is this n factorial? Or what is the meaning of this factorial? Now, n factorial can be written as n times n minus 1, then times n minus 2, and it will go on. So consecutive terms in a factorial is reduced by 1. So it is a kind of product of consecutive terms with 1 less, okay, as it progresses. So therefore, I am going to express all of them in that manner. All right. So, but before we go, let me start with the normal numbers. All right. That is this aspect. I'm going to work out this aspect now. Okay. Just to show you what will happen. Now, working on that aspect, if I have 4 times, it's going to be 7. Okay. 7 factorial will be 7 times 6 times 5. And it goes. And remember, here we are going to have 9 times 8 times 7, like that. Now, if you check everything from 7, everything cancels out. So look at 4 here 1 and 4 here is going to be 2. So what I have here is 1 over 18. Okay, so that is that. Then let me move to the left hand side. Now, to express x minus 1 factorial, x minus 1 factorial will be x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 and it will continue to move. Then I have 8 minus x factorial. So we have 8 minus x factorial. We have 8 minus x. Then I'm going to have 8 minus x. Now let me show you. The next one is going to be 8 minus x, then minus 1. Then followed by 8 minus x minus 1 minus 1. Now if you check, the number is going to be reducing. This is going to be 7 minus x. Then the next is going to be 6 minus x, and like that. So here I'm going to have 7 minus x. I'm going to have 6 minus x. I'm going to have 5 minus x, and it will continue to move on like that. Then what I have here, okay, will be all over x factorial will be x into x minus 1 into x minus 2, and it will move. Okay, then 9 minus x factorial will be 9 minus x. Then we have 8 minus x. We have 7 minus x, and it will now move like that. Now, from what I have here, you agree with me that anything from x minus 1 will take out everything from x minus 1 on this side. Then everything 8 minus x going on will take out everything 8 minus x going on. So what I am going to have at the end of the day on this side will be 1 all over x into 9 minus x. Now recall that on the right hand side we have 1 over 18. So this will be equals to 1 over 18. Then I will now cross multiply. On cross multiplying, I'm going to have x into 9 minus x will be equals to 18. So this 9 minus x squared is equals to 18. Collecting it and making it to really look like quadratic equation, I'm going to have x squared. Okay, this is 9x. So take note, please. This is 9x. All right. This is 9x. So it's going to be x squared minus 9x then plus 18 is equals to 0. Now solving this quadratically, the factors of 18 that will add up or that will sum up to minus 9x will be minus 6 and minus 3. So I'm going to have x squared, then I have my minus 6x minus 3x. Those are the factors. Then I have plus 18 is equals to 0. Okay, remember we always group them into 2. So we are going to have grouped into 2, just like I said. So here we have x, then we have x minus 6. Then here we factorize minus 3. So we are going to have x minus 6 is equals to 0. So we have x minus 6 down into x minus 3 is equals to 0. So having this now, you are going to have your x minus 6 is equals to 0, implying that x is equals to 6. Then your x minus 3 is equals to 0, implying that x is equals to 3. So finally, ladies and gentlemen, my students, I've gotten my answer to be x is going to be equals to 3 and x is going to be what equals to 6. So these are the values of x for which this particular expression is satisfied. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos.